Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the tea? Siyahlaziya.
Guys, let's just unpack lezi indaba lezi ozizwile, I'm sure, around a lieutenant general. Hey, futhi yazi uqhopolo lenye into. uDumisani Khumalo, uLieutenant General nje bese boshwa e-airport ethi he was actually going overseas. I'm sure badla imali yebo. I was just like, hayibo guys. Sometimes money power is something else, but it's crazy now how things are turning around. Bese ucabanga ubrigadier yakhe inhinda ukuthi yena uzophelela phi. Uyababona abantu bayaboshwa. Hey futhi kwakhe kuyoba buhlungu guys. Kuyoba buhlungu. Cause kwakhe kuphindwe ka100 ngoba ngeke guys ube busy nama family ongawazi. Ube busy na some families nje ongazazi. 5 families of these accused on the Senzo Meyiwa case ucabanga ukuthi wena you just gonna get away with it. It will never happen. You have your time now. Use it well because uzovalelwa ejele. Brigadier or not brigadier yenze abantu ukuthi bavalelwe. 6 people basejele. And what's crazy about this case is that you remember the 3 police, or should I just say SAPS, because they were still young anyways, around to face most up. The 3 police there at Henops River. Into yakhona nje vele yashabalala kwaphela emoyeni. It hasn't been investigated, nothing has happened. Ngaze ngenza i-video ngathi bababulele. Ngoba it looked like they were actually deleted. Those people didn't look like laba bantu laba bavele nje bayowela ngale imoto yabo bekwi-crime intelligence lana kunobuqhophololo obuningi nenzondo eningi nokuxabana okungakazi uzukubona. I think ba-involved laba yabo laba basejele nabanye abakhishiwe ngebail and ngifila ukuthi basazobuyela phakathi inside ngaleyo bail. Ngapha kunosisi wakaMukwele oyi-brigadier. How can you be a brigadier overnight? Guys, I can't. At 30 you are a brigadier. Actually, she just became a brigadier, sisters. Akazaza train abantu bayahamba baye ngapha koHamaskell ba-train for amaphoyisa. But there's a lot of people who have been employed as SAPS ngendlela engaqondakali. You remember I did a case futhi ya brothers, I think ingale ku-News Galo for days, my other channel. Brothers lo uyadlwengula ingane mayifika ezincane no20 case nayo going on and uphumile ngebail angazi uphuma kanjani ngebail ka8,000 umdlwengulo ovemdlwengulo inside SAPS. Actually ucaptain yena ufundisa izingane osukela emantombazana awu2 waqala ngenye yokuqala ena20 wayidlwengula. Angithi yazi why, it's power, it's the whole thing ukuthi phela mina ngiphethe vele lamaphoyiseni. It will never come out. Ayingane yayo imcepha uyathi lo ungenze kanje ngiyifikela ngizotraina la emaphoyiseni. Cabanga ukhohlakala ongaka. And to a point where I even think it's not the first time he's doing it. Whoever ever felt like that, mhlawumbe abanye bayithulela ngoba belinde jobs bafuna imisebenzi. Wamceba lo mntana abantu. Ngikwazi lapho ngoba nami ngithathelwe la emaphoyiseni ngizotraina onusuyangidlwengula. Crazy things guys, because you think at the back of your mind, no, mina ngeke ngize ngibanjwe. I'm good mos, and also I'm big at work. I've got power. And mhlambe mayidlwengula lengane abantu ayitshelwa ukuthi wena noma ungakhuluma ngeke bakuzwe. So ask yourself ukuthi ubrigadier yakhe into uzophela laphi. Zibuze. Hey, yabona futhi yakhe ithathe isikhathi eside. But I've always said it won't end well. Mark my words. Bengaphela u3 weeks when I'm doing Senzo Meyiwa's videos ngingashongo ukuthi ngiyatshela ubrigadier yakhe into liyomshonela. Futhi you won't believe it. Liyomlahla elakubo. Ngeke guys uzwenza ubuqhophololo for such a long time ucabanga ukuthi you're gonna get away with it. This is crazy guys, this hogwash that you're listening to in that court. Naba abanye nabo becabanga ukuthi ngeke bazibabanjwe, including i-CFO yakhona, i-Chief Financial Officer yakhona iboshiwe. He was there at Hinops River speaking to one of the family members. Ekhuluma into engazwakali. Into engazwakali nje. Ibuza one of the family members zalabantwana abawu-3 abashona base-SAPS abashona employees at SAPS. Imoto yabo akwazona ukuthi afika kanjani lapho kulo mfula. To this day kuthiwa I know we still investigating. Ayisa investigate. Ngibona ukuthi ba-involve lezi ngane lapho kuloku buqhophololo. Bavela babona ukuthi nansi abancane nifuna ukusifaka enkingeni. Hambani. Njengoba ubona la kuSenzo Meyiwa's case. Senzo Meyiwa's case nakhona the same thing. Makhulu uyahanjiswa. Quickly. They don't waste time. Baphele lapho mabhena. Abaphoyizonwanga. Baphele lapho eOndlovu. There was Ndlovu phela also in this case. Yasenzo Meyiwa. Kwaphelele emoyeni. Even the person who's doing U375, the people who were in the house in Senzo Meyiwa's case, usekwangenelwa kwakhe ka-100. Usezwa resign actually kwi-SAPS. Umakhubo. There's a chance ukuthi futhi angeze court because I'm sure he's gonna be like, hey, angifuni because mina kade umnyango wami uhlafazwa bathola ingane yakhe, his son was there. Kuningi guys, uMngomezulu wakhuluma today ukuthi Longwethwala deleted Senzo Meyiwa. The following day inja eyayisinja njani eyaMngomezulu kwakhona iGodfrey emhlophe imlindile ngaphandle. Washo ecourt was my lord, I'm not safe. So yezwa guys, kuvele kube kuningi kube ungabusazi. Nalabakhe it's the same thing. Lezi ngane zabantu ezo-3 mina ngasho kahle ngathi zihanjiswe nje lezi ngane. Ayikho lento leyo ukuthi bawe in a car in that Golf white beye emsebenzini beqhamuke eBloemfontein. There's nothing like that. I think they knew a lot. Ngobani babesebenzela crime intelligence. Now abantu crime intelligence are still telling you about the one guy lo ongakhishwanga ejele. All of them phela batholile i-bail. He didn't cause actually let me put it this way ngithi he's one of the people who didn't get the bail. Ngobani uyena phela ngisobedila nemali leze bezidliwa lapho. Guys, yabona nje into ehlangene noqhophololo. You can do it, yes, for years and months on end. Kodwa ke it won't end well. Ngisakhuluma ngalona-ke ekhuluma na one of the family members zaseBloemfontein ezinabantwana abashonayo lapha abawu-3. Wabuza ubaba womunye that's actually passed on there ukuthi sisacela ukubuza ukuthi kwenzeke kanjani wayengingiza lawa muntu into engazwakali to this day ekhuluma indaba zokuthi I know kusho ukuthi imoto abo nje ivele yaginqika, but you can tell ukuthi these are lies. Hayi vele yawa ngibona ukuthi you see akhona la ethi khona you see the river was full into engazwakali. The river was full baba ngathi la unento and everyone was complaining about the statement. Kuthezwakala lento eshoyo this guy. That's when we realized that no, laba akasibazi bawile ngalena in a car. There was rain, essentially which rain that can take you fake Hinops River. Hayi guys. So basically uDineo Mukwelele una 29. Well, actually she became a brigadier at 29. She's 30 years old. So there's sisters. So some of the charges is irregularity of employment sisters, right? Who employ kanjani? How do you become a brigadier at 29 days? She's 30 now. 2024 nje uvela ufike wena emaphoyiseni nje. Uvela ufike wena emaphoyiseni ujumpe. O sergeant no warrant officer ujumpe. Hayibo uvela ube brigadier ngeke guys. You remember what I said about Gininda 2 weeks ago? Ngathi nayilo ngiyamsola lo brigadier obuthola ngendlela ethizeni engeyona. And you know what was going through their minds bonke labantu ade busy on this case. That's why actually arrested. Let's put it that way. They thought they were untouchable. How many videos did I make? Gitty. Is Kelly untouchable? Is Brigadier untouchable? They have their own video actually last day where I said both of them. But untouchable na. Yiko benga bosh. Untouchable yino Kelly. Yika ngabosh. Guys, akekho umuntu untouchable eh? Akekho. I said it last day. Akekho umuntu untouchable. You might do it now. but in the long run it will not end well. So nje basically banjelwe fraud ne-corruption, labantu they were doing izinto engekho right emsebenzini, uqashana nabantu. But i-SAPS ke guys, I've heard so many times ke nje ukuthi lalela uthola ngani zabantu ze-apply zingatholwa, zingabizwa, zingawutholi umsebenzi, kanti babhizi bafakana nabantu bakubo, babhizi ne-nepotism there. Ungabanjwa. That's all I'm saying. So when they got bail, they were ordered not to enter any crime intelligence offices nala bebesebenza khona noma bangathi kwabanye abangani babo who does the same job as them. Kwathiwa kuphelile ningasondeli ema-ofisini. Guys, yini ndaba? And someone was even saying last thing, I did a video futhi yakhona ukuthi thina abantu abamnyama sinenkinga shembandla. Siwesi mase qhamuka eqhophololweni, sifunde sisebenze, but inhliziyo yinde and you feel entitled ukuthi uyakweletwa. I didn't like that statement nami ngoba nami angithi ngumuntu omnyama kodwa nje abantu abamnyama buke sasa kwenzakaleni. Almost 11 people actually were arrested. I did that case on News Galo for days. Baboshwa. Nala it's the same thing. People, high-ranking people, high. Oh, Lieutenant General, to get there, you need years and years. Ngoda umunye nangokuba ubrigadier sisters overnight so the know. Being say introduce them Gulugu guys, and then I just wanted to speak about ukuthi lalela uqhophololo guys uyobanjwa. Someday one day uloku ucabanga ukuthi wena ophethe. Wena ngokuzobanjwa. Now uphethe somebody though. They've been investigating them. So ngisazoqhubeka proper ngabo ne one by one ukuthi kwasukelaphi, why are we here, ukuyibona leyo nto, or should I say why are they here, ngoba mina uqhophololo ngibazi bafika kanjani la. Thank you so much guys. Yeah, I was trying to introduce them, but I'm going to introduce them properly one by one, who they are, what they were doing at work, beze be end up behlangana beba yiteam ekhohlakele engasho ukuthi engakhuzani, engasho ukuthi asiyekeni guys, some days sizobanjwa. Ayikho right lento senzayo, no, but usebenzele in crime intelligence, but wenza ubuqhophololo obukhohlakele kanje, no, you deserve to be in jail. Emke got a bail yami 10,000 kwasala 1, sazoqhubeka nanokuthi why lo uyi-1 esalile kwenziwa yini. Thank you so much guys for always supporting this channel. Ngithanda over.